Silver is a transition metal. It is a very good thermal and electrical conductor. This trait allows it to be used in computer chips. Silver is also a non-toxic metal. Silver is soft and malleable, and which means that you can easily change its shape. It has the highest in electrical and thermal conductivity of all metals. Silver is also not considered to be radioactive. Gold is also a transition metal. As well as sharing that quality with silver, it is also a good conductor and used in computers. It is also used for fillings in people's teeth. Gold is also used to treat arthritis. Gold is very easy to mold and handle. Gold is non-toxic and not irritating to the human body. It is even used on some food as decoration. Natural gold is not considered to be radioactive. Chromium. Chromium is a transition metal like gold and silver. It is used in curing many diseases, including diabetes type 1 and 2, depression, and improving blood sugar. Chromium is known to be toxic. Chromium is also not usually considered to be radioactive. Some of its isotopes are in fact radioactive. Platinum. Platinum is a transition metal. It is used in jewelry, in medicines that cure cancer, and in dental work. Platinum is a very workable metal. Platinum is also non-toxic and not considered to be very radioactive. Copper. Copper is a transition metal. It has many uses. Common ones are wires, jewelry, being a part of the alloy bronze, and is part of every American coin. Copper, along with many transition metals, is easily workable. Copper is toxic in large amounts and can cause many diseases, but the coins will not give you a large dosing of copper, so many Americans don't really have to worry about it. Copper is also not radioactive in many isotopes that the common person will see. Aluminum. Aluminum is a metal. It is commonly used for kitchen utensils and exterior building sidings. It is also used for many alloys because it lacks strength. Aluminum is not considered to be toxic or radioactive. Lead. Lead is a metal that is very poisonous. Large quantities of lead, both as the metal and as the dioxide, are used in storage batteries. Lead is also used in cable covering, as ammunition, as electrodes, in solder, and as roofing material. The metal is used as shielding from radiation, for example, in X-ray rooms and in nuclear reactors. That's what the heavy apron at the dentist's office or in the doctor's is made out of. Lead is considered to be toxic, but is not considered to be radioactive. Titanium is a metal that is extremely strong. Titanium is not easily corroded by seawater and is used in propeller shafts, rigging, and other parts of boats that are exposed to the salty seawater. Titanium and titanium alloys were used in airplanes, missiles, and rockets where strength, low weight, and resistance to high temperatures are important. Since titanium does not react within the human body, it is used to create artificial hips, pins for setting bones, and for other biological implants. Titanium is not considered to be toxic or radioactive. Tungsten. Tungsten is a very soft metal when it is pure. It has the highest melting point of all the metals. It is mainly used for wire and light bulbs. It is the metal wire on the inside, not in the glass. Tungsten is not considered to be radioactive, but tungsten is known to be highly toxic and can cause severe irritation when contacted by human skin. Silicon. Silicon is a metalloid. It is found in sand and in the earth. It is used for making computers and glass. Silicon is non-toxic and not radioactive. Fluorine. Fluorine is a gas. It has a yellowish tint to it. It is used in toothpaste and refrigerators to help keep things cool. Fluorine is extremely poisonous. It is also very reactive and will react with almost any other element. Fluorine is not considered to be radioactive. Iron. Iron is a transition metal. It is used in producing steel and hemoglobins. Hemoglobins are what carry oxygen to the blood cells. Iron is not radioactive in its original forms. Some isotopes are radioactive, but iron in all of its isotopes is not toxic. Sulfur. Sulfur is a solid. It's colored about a pale yellow. Sulfur is used in fireworks and in gunpowder. It is also in sulfa drugs. Sulfur is non-toxic, and sulfur is also not radioactive. Calcium. Calcium is an alkaline earth metal. Calcium is found in bones and in chalk and limestone in the Earth's crust. It is used as a reducing agent in preparing other metals such as thorium and uranium, as an alloying agent for aluminum, beryllium, copper, and magnesium alloys. Calcium is not considered to be toxic or radioactive. Chlorine is a gas. It is a yellow and green gas, and it has a choking odor to it. It is used to disinfect drinking water and pools. That's the unique pool smell that some people like. In the First World War, it was used as a chemical weapon because chlorine is in fact very poisonous and extremely dangerous to the human body. Chlorine is not considered to be radioactive.